I'm super excited to show you how you can register and start using the amazing ChatGPT. So let's get started. To register for ChatGPT, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your favorite browser. For this video, I'll be using Chrome and search for openai.com. Once you're on the site, click Try ChatGPT and then sign up to create your account. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Once you've done that, you'll need to verify your email address by clicking the link that's sent to you. Then, just enter your first and last name, verify your phone number, and you're all set. Now that you've successfully registered, you can log in and start using ChatGPT. Sign up for ChatGPT and then sign up for openai.com. Simply type in any question you have at the bottom and ChatGPT will provide an answer for you. It's really that easy.